is your interpretation of the painting of the woman holding the torch? What do you think that symbolizes?
All right. I love this painting. So let me just read the quote from the text. Then I noticed a small sketch in oils on a panel representing a woman, draped and blindfolded, carrying a lighted torch. The background was somber, almost black. The movement of the woman was stately, and the effect of the torchlight on the face was sinister. When I look at this painting, I ask myself a couple questions. One, why a woman? Why is she blindfolded? And what does the torch mean? And traditionally, the torch is a symbol of civilization, bringing light into darkness, bringing knowledge to the ignorant, bringing Christianity to the heathens. So that's a really powerful image, which, okay, so if that's what it is, that's pretty easy, right? The torch, she's carrying knowledge, civilization, religion, except then it gets more complicated because why is she blindfolded? And so when I look at that painting, I recognize the darkness behind her. So she's going somewhere into the unknown, and she's bringing this torch, but she doesn't see where she's going, and she doesn't understand where she's going. And that light she's carrying is shining back on her. And when I see that shining back on her, I think about why is it making her appear sinister? So I think about imperialism in general, and so her intention may have been, or she may have thought she was, bringing knowledge and light and goodness. But what she's bringing is actually making her evil, sinister, much like imperialism. What was said was happening was not the reality. And in fact, it was very harmful to the people who were being conquered. And why a woman? And I think that connects a lot with Marlowe's ideas throughout the text about women's ignorance, and how they kind of perpetuated the lie. For example, his aunt and the intended both believed strongly in the moral, righteous cause, which was just, it was a big fat lie. So I think that's connected to why it's a woman who's bringing that torch.
That's a good answer.